Hello student, I hope you are doing fine. So in today's video, we are going to discuss this series question. This is a number series questions, comes under the number system, and every year UPSC is asking 3 to 4 questions related to number series and the alphabetical series. So in series question, we need to identify the type of the series first and how the addition, multiplication, division are going into the series. तो हमें उसके बारे में देखना होता है. So let's write the series here. The series given 5, 85, 154, 210, 251, and A. Here we need to tell about what will be the A here. A क्या होना चाहिए वो हमें बताना है. जब भी हम सीरीज का कोई क्वेश्चन करते हैं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू एडजेसेंट टर्म्स. नेक्स्ट टर्म में क्या डिफरेंस है सबसे पहले हम वो देखते हैं एंड हाउ द सीरीज इज प्रोसीडिंग. अगर सीरीज कंटिन्यूसली डिक्रीज हो रही है तो इट मीन्स देयर शुड बी अ चेंज इन द नंबर या वो सब्सट्रैक्शन बेस्ड सीरीज होगा. इफ एनी सीरीज इज कंटिन्यूसली इंक्रीजिंग मीन्स देयर विल बी द एडिशन इन द सीरीज. कोई abruptly इंक्रीज हो रही है देयर विल बी द मल्टीप्लीकेशन and the series that's continuously decreasing abruptly there will be the division. तो इस तरीके से हमें सीरीज को एक बेसिक आइडिया के तरीके से देखना होता है. Here we will do the multiple kind of the series जहां से आपको समझ आ जाएगा कि सीरीज के क्वेश्चन को कैसे टैकल करना होता है. Okay, so let's see the difference between 5 and 85. Here the difference between 5 and 85 is 80. Difference between 85 and 154 is 69. And difference between 154 and 210 is 56. Difference between 210 and 251 is 41. We need to be calculate here what will be the difference. Then we can only tell what will be the next number here. So if we are adding 210 plus 41, that's coming to the 251 here. So now next we will look at the difference between 80 and 69 is 11. Difference between 80 and 69 is 11. Means we are subtracting 11 here, then we are getting the 69. Similarly, the difference between 69 and 56 is 13. यहाँ पे 13 difference है, तो means there is a difference of 13. Here is a difference of 11. Difference between 56 and 41 is 15. Means the difference is continuously increasing. 11, 13, 15. So next must be the difference will be the 17 because it is by the 2 increase हो रहा है. तो next में difference होगा 17. So here are the two series are running parallelly. First difference between the original series here, then the difference between the exactly the difference number. तो दो series parallel में चली हुई हैं. तो if we are getting 17 here means 56 minus 15 given the 41. 69 minus 13 giving the 56. 80 minus 11 is giving the 69. तो अगर आप यहाँ पे कनेक्ट करना चाहो डॉट्स को 80 minus 11 is giving us 69. 69 minus 13 giving us 56. 56 minus 15 giving us 41. And 41 minus 17 will give us 24. 41 minus 17 will give us 24. Then this 24 will be added to 251. So 251 plus 24, it should be 275. It should be 275. So the answer of this question will be 275. तो एक बार दोबारा से समझ लेते हैं. थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लेक्स सीरीज है. लेट मेक इट इजी. द सीरीज इज गिवन 5, 85, 154, 210, 251 एंड वी नीड टू बी फाइंड आउट ए. तो सीरीज के किसी भी क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले हम सीक्वेंस में डिफरेंस देखेंगे. We're finding the difference between 85 and the 5 is 80, 154 and 85 is 69, 210, 154 is 56, 251, 210 is 241 and we need to be tell what is will be the next term A here. तो हम देख रहे हैं कि जब 80, 69, 56, 41 आया है तो there is showing no similarity किस बेसिस पे आया है. तो हमें उसके पीछे एक आइडिया देखना होता है कि अगर वो कंटिन्यूसली डिक्रीज हो रहे हैं मतलब एक सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ नंबर उसमें से डिक्रीज हो रहा है. अगर इफ आई एम सेइंग यहाँ पे continuously decreasing है, the second series is continuously decreasing and they are decreasing by a same kind of the amount, same kind of numbers like 11, 13, 15 series में ही decrease हो रहा है. This decrease can be in the same kind, 18, 78 भी हो सकता है, 76, 74, 72, this kind of decrease भी हो सकता था. लेकिन but there is a decrease of 11, 13, 15, 17 that is going continuously decreasing. We are finding this difference number 1. We note down the second difference, the difference number 2. Now we need to be look at 80 minus 69 is 11. Then this 69 is added to this 85. This 69 is added to this 85 and we are getting 154. Similarly, this 56 is added to 154 and we are getting 210. This 41 is added to 210. We are getting 251. Similarly, this 24 will be added to 251 and we are getting 275. So the answer of this question is 275. This is a bit complex series. इसमें आपको सोचना पड़ेगा. सीरीज के क्वेश्चन से आप जितना ज्यादा अवेयर होंगे उतना ज्यादा बेहतर होगा, क्योंकि सीरीज के क्वेश्चन आज के टाइम में कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी की तरफ जा रहे हैं. अगर हम देखें इन बिटवीन 2017, 18, 15, 16 के टाइम पे सीरीज के क्वेश्चन बहुत आसान आ रहे थे, बट द पैटर्न चेंज फ्रॉम द 2022 एंड इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ डिफिकल्ट साइड. So the answer of this question will be 275. At Edukemy, we are starting our CSAT batch from 15th of September. So you can join the batch from the Edukemy website in online or offline mode, or kindly join the Edukemy Telegram channel, that is the CSAT for UPSC for daily practice. You will get to know how to solve without the formula, how we can use our brain, how we can do the brainstorming to solve these kind of the questions.